Hello everyone, so we are back again. I hope you can hear my voice clearly. And okay, so without wasting a minute, let's get started. We already have an exponential equation, 729 power x minus 9 power x equals to root 3 already. Okay, we have to solve it. Solving means finding the value of the variable given or the variables given, whatever. Okay, so continuing. By looking at 729, I have done these many questions by now. I know it's related to 9, right? So let's write it. 9's cube and then power x, then 9 power x, then 2 root 3 as it is. Because we are solving it, so we're gonna take right hand side with it. Now we know that a power m n something like that power gets multiplied, or I can write this power inside and this power outside can like are kind of interchangeable, right? So continuing, I need this, I'm interchanging the cube, then this as it is 2 root 3, right? Okay, now continuing this, let's call both of them x. We already have, let's call them y. Okay, so our this equation becomes this minus normal y to root 3, right? Okay, now I know that I can write it in like some form. So I'm gonna write it as 3 root 3 minus root 3. Can I do that? Yes, of course. Can I write it as this power 1 and this part as root 3 power 3? Minus this, right? And this side becomes this. Now from here, we can easily take everything on the other side. So let's continue this minus y minus root 3 cube plus root 3 is equals 0, right? Okay. Now it's a cubic equation. So writing it, second. Now we have this, writing it as this and this together, this and this together. That's right. Y cube minus root 3 cube together, and then just writing it normally, minus taking common, y minus root 3, right? Yeah, good. Yep. Okay. Now we also know a cube minus b cube. This one is equals to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so linear multiply quadratic gives you cubic, right? So writing it as this multiply quadratic. My a is y, so square plus root 3y, b is root 3 plus root 3 square minus y minus root 3. Now just look at this part. This is same in this term and this is here getting multiplied by 1. You can see that, say that. So this inside y square plus root 3y plus this cancels, 3 minus this one minus 1, right? Now y minus root 3, this become y square plus root 3y plus 2 equals 0. Now you know here either this is equals to 0, so y is equals to root 3, or this is equals to 0, right? Now solving it using, first of all we're gonna stop here, right? Now solving it using quadratic formula, so y is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. My b is this, my c is this, and my a is 1. So minus root 3 plus minus root 3 square minus 4ac over 2 times 1. Then this plus minus this becomes 3 minus 8. So minus 5 root over 2. Okay. For now, y, yeah, I'm just taking it as complex. So this came out to be my other two y's, right? Okay. Now recalling which equation, because I was supposed to find x, right? So we called y what? My y was 9x. I claimed that this is this. Like I let this was this, I supposed. So continuing, as y is equals to 9x, and in the first one that becomes this. So 3 power 2 x is equals to 3 power half. 3 power 2x is equals to 3 power half. You know, it implies 2x only coefficients. This implies x is equals to 1/4. Good. Okay. Next one. As y is equals to 9x, we know y came out to be negative root 3 plus minus root 5 iota over 2, right? So 9 power x is equals to negative root 3 plus minus root 5 iota. Okay. Now carefully understand, even if I take positive one or negative one, right? I am getting complex answer, but this answer is real, right? So a real number, how can a real number be equal to a complex number when I know like what is that part? Here it's not even 0. So not possible. So rejected. Hence, what is the answer? My answer of x is just 1 over 4. Also, I know some of you would say we could have done it here only when we were comparing here, right? I literally write this is equals to this. So on comparison, we could have done like hence y is equals to root 3 and then just put it back in here that, but we were like we need to show if you are solving it properly, we need to find all the possible solutions. What if some other solutions were coming out here? Then I looked for it, then I properly like with the law cancelled them, because real can't be equal to complex and everything. But yeah, so I would suggest do not just compare and write, because with this thing in some other questions you might be losing some good solutions and other roots. So yeah, that was it for today. Keep watching, do subscribe and do share, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.